I'm really glad I'm doing this.
These guys don't know the difference between a tax refund and a tax return. But today, they'll learn all about taxes while returning serves from a tennis pro. Whoever learns the most earns a cash prize. This is Ridiculous Lessons in Money! Woo! Today's expert is Kat Riekmans. Kat is an enrolled agent and a trusted resource for the Intuit TurboTax community, offering tips on maximizing deductions, navigating tax laws, and keeping tax season hassle-free.
I'd say the most common misconception about taxes is that people think if they don't make a certain amount that they don't have to file and don't claim a refund that they were owed.
Kat will attempt to debunk common tax myths while our contestants take on their challenge. Let's meet our brave tennis players.
Hey, I'm Anne-Marie, and I'm from Staten Island, New York.
My name is Jalen, and I'm from Randallstown, Maryland.
Hi everyone, I'm Jackie and I live in New York.
In the past, my dad used to do my taxes for me. They're kind of just that scary thing I have to do at the end of the year, and then I just hope for the best.
I actually went to school for accounting, but then I got into it and I started working and I was like, oh, I hate everything about this.
Last year, I got a $600 tax refund that went right to Chili's. That was phenomenal. I got the appetizer sampler.
Did you spend all $600 in one sitting at Chili's?
Did I spend all $600? No, but I don't have any of that money anymore.
Jackie, how you feeling?
Nervous.
I'm warm, man.
Kat here is gonna read you some common myths about filing your taxes. While she does that, Marcus, our tennis pro, is going to be ripping tennis balls at you.
Oh God.
For every ball that you hit back in bounds, you get 1 bonus point for your test.
Oh, that sounds great. That sounds great.
You ready to go?
Okay, all right, cool.
Myth 1, filing taxes is voluntary. In reality, filing taxes is mandatory for individuals who meet certain income thresholds, despite the misconception that it's voluntary.
I heard you voluntary. That makes perfect sense. Jesus Christ.
Students don't have to pay taxes. Although students don't need to file if they don't make the IRS threshold, they should, since they may get money back if they file federal taxes withheld from their paycheck.
Students, understood. Got a shout out to Johns Hopkins Summer Camp, okay? I played plenty of tennis. Good God.
Myth 3, the IRS will call you if you owe taxes. In reality, the IRS contacts people by mail, not by phone, regarding tax issues.
She's got the swing part down, the contact is where she's lacking.
There was some contact before.
Myth 4, tax refunds are a bonus or a sign of great tax planning. In reality, a refund simply means you overpaid your tax.
She wasn't even looking for that one.
The average refund is over $3,000 last year, and for many, that's the biggest check they'll get all year.
I took 2 tennis lessons when I was in middle school, but I was so bad that they asked me not to come back.
Myth 5, filing an extension on your taxes means you can delay paying what you owe. An extension only gives you more time to file your tax return,
Not fair.
not to pay any taxes owed.
No. This is really fun, guys. I'm really glad I'm doing this.
You're doing great.
Myth 6, being paid in cash means you don't have to report income. All income, including cash payments, must be reported to the IRS, even if it meets the minimum income requirements for tax filing.
Oh, nailed it.
I have very limited experience with tennis, but what I lack in experience, I make up with in enthusiasm. Needs some work.
Oh.
Sorry.
Myth 7, marriage penalties always apply when you file jointly.
Over there.
In reality, while some couples may end up paying more in taxes when they file jointly, generally, filing jointly can provide bigger tax breaks, like lower tax rates at higher income or more tax deductions and credits. Finally, you don't have to pay taxes on online sales. In reality, income from online sales is taxable. Additionally, if you're selling goods online regularly, you may be responsible for collecting and remitting sales tax depending on state laws.
All right, you're done. Great job.
That was nice. That was nice.
Let's give it up for Jackie. Woo! Jalen, My man,
Thank you.
you did it.
Appreciate it.
Great job. That was fun. That was awesome. Great job.
I know, I killed it, right?
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my gosh, sorry.
Thank you.
I didn't mean to.
No, it's fine. I just want to acknowledge, while you were warming up earlier, you took a bit of a tumble.
That's true.
We had a knee
That's
scrape
true. We did a
situation. I don't know
little
if we can get that.
Working
That's
through the
real.
pain. Working
Warrior
through the pain.
prize, I guess.
You actually successfully returned.
That felt great. I got a lot of people to thank. I got my mother to thank, upstairs, of course.
Yeah.
And then a couple more people.
All right, we don't have too much time. We got to get into this.
Yes, of course.
First question. You ready? It's a lot. What determines whether filing taxes is mandatory? Is it A, age, B, income thresholds, C, employment type, or D, volunteer status?
B, income threshold?
B.
C, employment type.
Okay. True or false? Students are required to file taxes if their income exceeds the IRS threshold.
True.
I think true.
True.
This is like the SATs.
Exactly like the SATs. We get that all the time. Which of the following statements is true about taxes on online sales? A, online sales income is not taxable. B, only large online sales must be reported. C, income from online sales is taxable and sales tax may also apply. Or D, sales tax only applies to physical store sales.
C.
D.
B or D?
I said D unless B's the right answer.
Can't tell you that, but we're gonna take D.
I think it is taxable, and I think there might be sales tax related. So C?
Okay. How does the IRS typically contact individuals about tax issues? Is it A, by mail, B, by email, C, by phone, or D, in person?
A, mail.
I think by mail, A.
God, imagine it was in person. By mail.
What does a tax refund signify? Is it A, a bonus for excellent tax planning? B, a sign of underpayment during the year? C, a return of overpaid taxes? Or D, interest earned from the government?
C.
Oh God.
C.
C.
Jalen, that was the last question we got for you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You did awesome, but there can only be one winner. Let's see who it is. All right, I think we learned a lot about taxes today, and more importantly, we learned how to not play tennis. With that being said, our winner of today's episode and tennis ace is... I'm so nervous, guys. Jalen! Give it up for Jalen! That is it for Ridiculous Lessons in Money. Like, comment, subscribe, pay your taxes, and thanks again to TurboTax. Bye-bye.